Xiva Sharq shaharlarining olmasi.
Xiva bu qadimiy va ertaklar shahri.
The great desert city of Xiva in Uzbekistan is a special place. The Ichin Kala, or walled city, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But Xiva isn't just a museum. It's alive with rich cultural traditions like puppetry. Step inside Xiva and you soon see its special connection to these quirky characters. The local theatre company regularly performs in the heart of the old city. Farahat is one of the talented puppeteers.
Qo'g'irchoq teatrining san'ati eski qadimiy tarixga borib taqaladi va aynan Qo'g'irchoq teatrining asosiy maqsadi bolajonlarimizga ma'naviy madaniy tarbiya berish.
Curious to know more, I asked her to show me some of the basics. So Farahat, what are you going to show me?
Eng birinchi o'rindagi bitlarimiz, keyin mexanizm, og'zi ochiladi, ko'zlari yumiladi, sizda yumilmaydi. Assalomu alaykum otajon.
Assalamu alaikum. What do you reckon? Could you pull a few strings to get me some work?
Mani iplarim yo'q-da.
Xiva's puppets are shaped, painted and brought to life by local artisans using traditional techniques. Muyasa, what are you doing right now?
Men hozir yangi spektakllar puppet mash qilib o'tiribman.
And what makes a good puppet maker?
Spektakldan kelib chiqib, buni xarakterini o'rgangan holda, salbiy, ijobiy rolda qo'g'irchoqlar ishlab o'tiribmiz.
Rahmat.
Rahmat.
Xiva's ancient walls hold many secrets. Bounded by desert, the city was a vital oasis for weary traders travelling the Great Silk Road.
Xiva Buyuk Ipak yo'lida joylashgan shimoliy g'arbiy yo'nalishdagi asosiy shaharlardan biridir. Bu shaharga butun Ipak yo'lidagi karvon ahli shu shaharning go'zalligini, arxitekturasini va bozorlarini ko'rishga intilib keladi.
According to legend, the city was founded by Shem, the son of the biblical prophet Noah. Throughout history, Xiva was also a great centre of learning. It was the birthplace of the father of algebra, Al-Khwarizmi. His Latinized name gave us the word algorithm. The Tosh Haveli Palace is one of the city's many marvels. Built in the 1830s by the ruling Khan for his 4 wives and 40 concubines, it's a labyrinth of rooms and courtyards. Visitors can now peek inside the living quarters, including the harem.
Tosh Haveli saroyi bu Ichin Kalaning sharqiy ansamblining durdonasidir. 19-asrda qurilgan ushbu saroy Xorazm xonlarining qabul qiladigan, mehmon qiladigan va yashash joylaridan biri hisoblanadi.
Dance is deeply rooted in the culture of Xiva and the wider region. And as the day draws to a close, the city comes alive to a different beat. It's called Lazgi, and let's just say the rhythm has a way of pulling you in. Umabek, what's the dance trying to express?
inson yaralganida jonni kirizish uchun o'sha lazgini qo'shishgan, lazgi orqali jon odamga kirib, tanasi bilan harakat qilgan. Shuning uchun lazgi deyishadi. Keyin boya qildigu olmani olib, o'sha meni jonim shu yerda senga men jonni beryapman degan maqsadda.
Uzbekistan's other ancient Silk Road cities like Samarkand and Bukhara often steal the spotlight. But Xiva is a treasure waiting to be discovered.